In a previous video, we covered adding nutrition facts to a base meal. So in this video, we'll be covering adding nutrition facts to different variations, such as sizes or components. So I'll pull up a meal like this chicken fajita bowl, and you'll see I already added two sizes here, our standard and large. Our standard size is set under the ingredients tab itself. And you see I already added 8 ounces of grilled chicken and 4 ounces of brown rice. Now, back on variations, if we wanted to set the ingredients for the large size, we would just click Adjust Ingredients, and we can come here and change these numbers. So I'm going to increase this to 12, and I'm going to increase the brown rice to 6 ounces, assuming that the large is going to have a little bit more than the standard size. So just go ahead and click Save, and now both sizes are done. Now, under components, I've added some vegetable options. So here I have choose your veggie, and the customer can choose one. And their choice is between onions or carrots. So if they choose onions, we'll click adjust ingredients, and they'll get 2 ounces of yellow onions, and we'll click add, and we'll click save. If they choose carrots, adjust ingredients, they'll get 2 ounces of carrots. We'll click add, and we'll click save. Now I could repeat that exact same process now if they choose the large size of onions. Maybe in this case they'll get 4 ounces of yellow onions, and we'll save that. And if they choose the large size of carrots, they'll get 4 ounces of carrots. We'll add and we'll save that. Now finally, if we have some add-ons, such as something like add cheese, same concept applies. We just come to adjust ingredients, and maybe I say 1 slice American cheese. We can go ahead and add that in. And for the large, for this example, I'll make it 2 slices American cheese. Again, this doesn't sound like a very delicious meal, but just for the sake of showing it to you. And we'll go ahead and we'll save that as well. So now we have all of our ingredients set for our add-ons, our components, and our sizes. So I'll go ahead and click OK just to save this. I might come back to a quick refresh. We'll click Create Manual Order just so we can see the menu. I'm going to search for that fajita bowl and pull it up. Now when I look at the nutrition, you see I have my standard size. When I switch to large, it'll switch the nutrition facts. And if I choose something like onions or carrots, it's going to increase that value. And same thing for cheese. It'll do all the math to add it all together depending on what the customer selected. And then they can go ahead and add that to their bag. And of course, those nutrition labels will all be updated and also be on the item labels themselves.